I'm telling you the word of God. It's a new day. We cannot live in ignorance and live in madness and live in such levels. The fact that you came to church doesn't mean you've lost your mind. Yeah. The fact that you came to church doesn't mean you've lost your mind. You still have a brain. You are a sophisticated human being. You can think, you can analyze, you can assess, you can articulate. Why are we following foolishness? I didn't think you did Gyimiii. We've been to be beaten and all that kind of thing, and we believe more than that Bible. And you didn't say, you know, where is your mind? Where is your mind? Where is your mind? Huh? Where is your mind? You cry a vampire, ye vampire, na ye dream who will be our vampire bunny be or you Gyimiii. It in Bible by 11:30, Pepe Pempibon upon 11 o'clock rather, and Pibon upon everybody go back to work. Go back to work. From 9 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in the evening for 30 days. How are you going to make it? How are you going to make it? I want to know. I was out of the country, and then I met somebody who watches me on social media. The person was so excited. Share me and walk at me say, I am in one share Prophet Kofi Oduro, and I'm saying, and then she pointed to somebody and said, this is the young man. I'm in the woman back it way. When you win a war back it way. Abofrano, almost like 4 years old. And the young man has not contributed a dime into the life of that little boy. A dime. You won't grow 14. You may feel one mark on home. One more dear young quasi a boo. Boo mark quasia.